Hello viewers, I'll report on the Israel-Iran war in a straightforward manner. This is Erbil, Iraq. Local media report that pro-Iranian militias allegedly attempted to attack the United States Consulate in Erbil. Sirens were heard near the United States Consulate in Erbil, and it is suspected that the attack was carried out using drones. This is Erbil, Iraq. Sirens are sounding at the United States Consulate in Erbil, Iraq. This is Erbil, Iraq. Drone attacks targeting the United States Consulate in Erbil have continued. Though the attack on a United States diplomatic facility was intercepted, the United States cannot stand idly by in response. Missiles and drones were reportedly launched simultaneously from Iran and Yemen. Tel Aviv was hit directly. More than 4 buildings in Tel Aviv were struck directly. This is Tel Aviv. Iranian missiles are falling on Tel Aviv. It is reported that there is significant damage in Tel Aviv right now. Over 20 people were injured and 1 killed in concentrated attacks on densely populated civilian areas. Currently, the Iranian military is sending drones to Israel in large numbers, causing Israel's air defense to focus only on the drones. Then, they launch ballistic missiles to inflict damage on Israel. This is Tel Aviv right now. An Iranian ballistic missile has landed. Significant damage is expected. This area is densely populated. This is Tel Aviv. Currently, rescue teams are searching the buildings to locate survivors. A ballistic missile launched by Iran struck a densely populated residential area, resulting in extensive damage and numerous casualties. Tel Aviv was hit by a ballistic missile, causing significant damage to a building in the area where it landed. Police and firefighters are on the scene handling the situation. The White House is reportedly discussing a potential strike on Iran's nuclear facilities. While no definite decisions have been made, reports suggest the United States attack is still a possibility. Iran launched a major missile attack on Israel, causing significant damage to the Weizmann Institute. The Weizmann Institute of Science, known as Israel's cradle of basic science, houses graduate programs and research facilities. However, significant damage occurred here, with a reported fire in a laboratory building. Initially, 20 injuries were reported in this attack, but as the count continues, it is now reported that over 100 people have been injured. That concludes the video. Thank you.